Let's learn how to divide the number 76 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 6 here. And we know that 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that this 1 is less than 5 and we have no number to bring down here. That's why in this case we will borrow 1 0 and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 76 divided by 5 is equal to 15.2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.